Today I will show you how to replace a battery in a Volkswagen key fob. Now this is a newer style key fob and there is a slight difference compared to the old style one. It's very easy and it doesn't take long. First press this button to get the key out. Now turn the key fob into this position. Now you will see here, like right here, it's where it goes apart. You don't have to use a screwdriver or anything like that. So just press it hard right here. See, here is where it goes apart. Okay. And here's the battery. You can use a knife or a screwdriver to take it out. It's a CR2032. You can buy those at any store. And that's pretty much it. Very easy to do. Now, if you haven't changed the battery for a while, it might be hard to pop this cover out. But just press hard. If it still doesn't go, then you will have to use some kind of a screwdriver or something similar.